Good morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the Australian dollar and the US dollar, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The last session saw the Aussie gain 0.7% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 4.8% in the last session, after gaining as much as 5.2% during the session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. Volkswagen's stock price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
Moving on to world financial news.
The Securities and Exchange Commission voted 5 votes to 0 to repropose a long-delayed rule that would prohibit conflicts of interest by entities that create asset-backed securities, such as mortgage bonds. The proposal will now be open for public comment until the Commission considers whether to finalise the rule. Lawmakers said this practice was partly to blame for the 2008 financial meltdown. Cardano-based decentralized stablecoin JED is on track for a launch next week, one of the developers behind the token said. The highly anticipated JED stablecoin has been jointly developed by Cardano code maintainer IOG and Coty, a Layer 1 blockchain. Mexican state oil company Pemex's newest refinery, which is still under construction in Mexico's southeast, will begin to process crude oil in July 2023, the country's energy minister Rocio Nala said. The government has said that the refinery, Pemex's 8th, would eventually have capacity to process 340,000 barrels per day.
Thank you. Coming up, our chief analyst's review of today's most interesting economic events.
The US durable goods orders will be released at 13:30 GMT. The US gross domestic product annualized at 13:30 GMT. The Irish consumer confidence at 00 hours and 1 minute GMT. Spain's unemployment survey will be released at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's Tokyo Consumer Price Index at 23:30 GMT. Japan's Tokyo CPI at 23:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.